Hello everybody. I'm gonna attempt to connect to the plow right now on this multi-machine. So you can see she's a little bit dusty. So I already brought it from where it was parked on the video cut out, so that's why I gotta continue on a different one. But basically all you have to do is to connect the plow with this bolt over here into this threaded rod that I have in there, and it just goes through a hole. And just put it in there and line it up, and that's it. So once you have the bolts in there, two of them, and you gotta hook up this chain into here. That is for lifting this thing. It's pretty hard to do one-handed in here. Give me just a quick sec. Alright, so once you put that clip on there, then you just gotta hook up the electrical, which this one will connect the same one as the snowblower. So let's see if we can do this one-handed. Yep. Alright, so now that we are hooked up, we are all set to go. And this is what the plow looks like. I'll show you how she operates and all that. Turn the remote on. Turn the machine on. Once this is on, you know you're on. Alright. So lifting it. And if you want to tilt it, it's a little slow, but you want it to be slow and not fast. So this is what she looks like. This is just a normal plow from a, I believe it's a mowing tractor that I just turned into plowing for this thing. I don't use this one very much because when the snow is very heavy, it is very hard to move. Very hard to move the snow with this thing because she's not super heavy, and so you need a lot of weight for that to push a lot of snow, you know. So maybe if I were to make it a little heavier, she will be okay. But as of right now, only on light snow is that I use this thing, maybe 3 inches, no more than that. Because I tried using it before, it just didn't do the job. I was a little disappointed. It looks pretty cool though, and I like it better because this way I can, you know, put my platform in the top and haul wood. But with the snowblower attachment here, it's the same, you know, system. On here, you just put the bolt in there and put it in there. And what I did here was just, you know, took all the wheels from a normal snowblower and put this bracket over here to connect it to my machine. And then on the snowblower itself, I did ended up extending it 6 inches on each side. So, you know, I think that's a 36 inches if I remember correctly. And then for the little turn motor for the chute, this is what it looked like. Just a 1/2 inch rod, drilled a couple holes to it. Then I bought this little motor from eBay. It's a gear motor, and then she just turns the whole chute around, as you can see. You can even turn it by hand. This one is pretty quick. So it's pretty nice because this one hooks up the same way that other one hooked up. So I mean, it's the same system, so it all works real nice. So this is what I use the most. And then for the RPMs, I just bought this little motor over there, and this one hooks up to the machine, which has got a separate plug for this one. You can see over here. So you just hook it up in there, and then you can control RPMs and all that stuff, which is pretty nice because you don't want to be full throttle when you're inside your basement, you know. So yeah, that's what I got for you, and maybe I'll make another video how to hook up to the snowblower, which is the same thing. Doesn't take extra. It's just I got to put these counterweight in the back. You can see it's got a lot of steel. It weighs probably like 40 pounds because, you know, that thing is huge. And so, you know, that little machine, like I said, is not super heavy. So it just not enough weight for lifting that much. So that's why I put the counterweight. But, you know, she lived the whole thing pretty nice. So it's pretty good. All right. See you guys in the next one.